Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Clash Royale account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Clash Royale account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Clash Royale application. The home page of Clash Royale application will appear on the screen. From the battlefield, tap on three lines at the top right corner of the page and tap on Settings option. Now tap on Connected. On the next page, click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Now all you need to do is click on Logout option. Confirm logging out of your Clash Royale account by tapping on Confirm. This is how you can sign out of your Clash Royale account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.